So hi guys, welcome to my video and today I will talk about why do we sneeze? Is sneezing dangerous? So let's get started. In ancient times, people used to take a sneeze as a mark of danger that is to happen. Shouting or remarking, God help you, has been a tradition since then, right? The Romans and Greeks believed it as a sign of forthcoming mysteries and thought that the lucky one sneezes on the right while unlucky sneezes on the left. Is it true? Absolutely not. So, coming to the fact why we sneeze is that we sneeze when our nasal mucosal membrane is swollen or the nerve ending is irritated. The irritation can be caused by anything, which may be a foreign substance or allergen. Sometimes sneezing occurs when our optic nerve is exposed to a bright light. Multiple sneezes or one single sneeze is a reflex of the human body to throw out any unwanted body out of respiratory tract. So this was all about what makes us sneeze, and this is my new channel where you will get a lot of things to know. If you like this video, hit like button, subscribe button and press bell icon to get notification of my videos on your screen. Thank you.